Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vbacus. Today I am here again with a new topic of Vedic maths, that is magic square 5 by 5 with consecutive numbers and odd numbers by amazing tricks. Let us see. 5 by 5 magic square using consecutive numbers from 1 to 25. Place the numbers 1 to 25 in such a way that each row, column and diagonals adds up to the same number. Use each number exactly once. I have written 1 to 5 in row 1, 6 to 10 in row 2, 11 to 15 in row 3, 16 to 20 in row 4, 21 to 25 in row 5. Let us see what we do. Just insert diagonal in one side, other side also. Now you can see blanks are there. Now we have to exchange our numbers. This one will go here. This 25 will go here. Write 5 in this blank. Write 21 in this blank. And write 6 in this blank. 24 in this blank. Write 2 in this blank. 20 in this blank. Now 4 in this blank, 16 in this blank, 5 is over, 10 is in this blank, 22 in this blank. Now we will fill up the magic square. Now see, 11, 24, 7, 23. Next row, 4, 12, 25, 8, 16. Now 17, 5, 13, 21, 9, 10, 18, 1, 14, 22. Last row, 23, 6, 19, 2 and 15. Let us add up now. See, 11, 24, 7, 20 and 3, it becomes 65. 4 plus 12 plus 25 plus 8 plus 16 will become 65. 17 plus 5 plus 13 plus 21 plus 9 will become 65. 10 plus 18 plus 1 plus 14 plus 22 is equal to 65. 23 plus 6 plus 19 plus 2 plus 15 is also equal to 65. Let us see the columns. 11 plus 4 plus 17 plus 10 plus 23 is equal to 65. 24 plus 12 plus 5 plus 18 plus 6 is equal to 65. 7 plus 25 plus 13 plus 1 plus 19 is also equal to 65. 20 plus 8 plus 21 plus 14 plus 2 is also equal to 65. 3 plus 16 plus 9 plus 22 plus 15 is also equal to 65. Now let us see diagonals. 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 is also equal to 65. Other side, 3 plus 8 plus 13 plus 18 plus 23 is also equal to 65. Isn't it amazing? It's very shortcut method. Now we will make a magic square using 5 by 5 odd numbers from 1 to 49. Place the odd numbers 1 to 49 in such a way that each row, column and diagonals adds up to the same number. Use each number exactly once. I have written in one row 1 to 9, then 11 to 19 in second row, 21 to 29 in third row, 31 to 39 in fourth row, 41 to 49 in fifth row. Again insert diagonals. Other side. Now see, this one I will write here in this blank. This 49 I am writing in this blank. 3 I am writing in. 9 I will write in this blank. 41 I will write in this blank. Now 3 I will write in this blank. 39 will goes here. 7 will come here. I will write this 31 here. I will write 11 here and 47 here. This 19 will come here. 43 I will write here. We have filled up the all blanks. Now let us write them in the magic square. Let us write 21, 47, 13, 39, 5, 7, 23, 49, 15, 31, in next row 33, 9, 25, 41, 17, fourth row 19, 35, 1, 27, 43, in last row 45, 11, 37, 3 and 29. Now row wise let's add. 21 plus 47 plus 13 plus 39 plus 5 is equal to 125. In next row, 7 plus 23 plus 49 plus 15 plus 31 is also equal to 125. 33 plus 9 plus 25 plus 41 plus 17 is also equal to 125. Let us see fourth row. 19 plus 35 plus 1 plus 27 plus 43 is equal to 125. 45 plus 11 plus 37 plus 3 plus 29 is also equal to 125. Let us see column wise. 21 plus 7 plus 33 plus 19 plus 45 is equal to 125. 47, 23, 9, 35, 11. If you add up, it will become 125, 13, 49, 25, 1, 37 is also equal to 125, 39, 15, 41, 27, 3 is also equal to 125, 5 plus 31 plus 17 plus 43 plus 29 is equal to 125. And let us see diagonals. 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29 is also equal to 125. Other side 5 plus 15 plus 25 plus 35 plus 45 is also equal to 125. It's very shortcut. You can make 5 by 5 square in seconds. Now you can make 5 by 5 magic square with multiples of any number, with consecutive numbers starting from any digit, with the square of consecutive numbers, with the skip counting by 2, 3, 4 or 5 and so on, with odd numbers starting from any odd number. There is a homework for you. Now you can try to create 5 by 5 magic square with multiples of 3 and 4. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.